How to find contact numbers for reservation for Marriott hotels near your location. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to find contact numbers of Marriott hotels near your location? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. You can open up Google Chrome or any other browser and head over to Marriott.com. Now go to help in the right hand side, and then you will see a search bar. Now there you can search for contact number. Now hit search, and then tap on what is the phone number for Marriott Bonvoy. So open this up, and then you can tap on the link, and it will open up the phone numbers for various locations of Marriott hotels. So just call on the number. You can just tap on arrow, and then just see all of the country's number. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.